Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making curry banana skin. Growing up, my mother and father used to raise pig, and realize now I'm older, the pig or the hog, what you wanna call it, always get the best of the food. Because when I check it out, banana skin have all the nutrients in it, and we used to give hog or pig, what you want to call it, to eat. So today, guys, I'm cooking some banana, and I'm using the skin to curry. I'm gonna curry the skin. So nothing now waste, nothing now dash with today. I wash the banana before I peel it so I can use the skin. And guys, I am in Jamaica, so this banana skin didn't get any chemical on it, so it's gonna be very healthy. It didn't spray. It's coming straight from the farm where you don't spray your banana. I let the banana skin cook first before I had the seasoning. Here I have my scallion, onion, thyme, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, pimento seed, coconut milk, cloves, basil, turmeric, parsley, and salt. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Here it is, guys, finished green banana skin. Guys, it smells so good and it tastes real good. Here I'm having it with some mashed potato, rice, lettuce, tomato, and curry chickpeas. Very nice, guys. Here I have some leftover cooked green banana skin, and I'm mixing it together with some of the chickpeas. Very nice. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend.